Hey Tech Jacks, I know it's been a while since you've heard from me. I'm really sorry about that. I'm still here. There have been a lot of things going on behind the scenes, some content related, some not so much. I'll share the latter in another update video. We've got some good content for you in the pipeline, some trieds and trues like how-to videos and tech reviews, and some new ideas like 3D printing, laser cutting, and some testing videos. Some sample how-to videos we're working on are making your own XLR cables and a bunch of computer networking related content. Here are a few example tech review videos. We have a handful of headphones to review. We'll be looking at a bunch of gaming related products, as well as computer related products. And as for new content ideas like 3D printing, I'll cover both filament-based and resin-based printers. For laser cutting content, I'll cover some how-tos, interesting projects, as well as machine modding. And finally, I've started some testing videos on topics like latency, both video and networking, so we'll try to dispel a few myths along the way. Hopefully one or more of these topics interest you, but if not, let me know and make your own suggestions. Comment below, or better yet, hit me up on the socials. Links are in the description. I'd love to hear your suggestions for future content. And that wraps up this quick channel update. Nos vemos.